오빤 강남 오빤 강남스타일.
So, Bill, why did you, like, do that to him?
Cause he's a flippin' loser! What'd you say to me, punk?!
Stop!
Damn, my dog really going through a training montage. Dun, 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 head ass. I just found a whole army of stray dogs. Hey everybody, listen up! I had a dream that no human can own a dog. That being said, we attack at dawn. Nah, that's crazy. Yo, don't believe the cartoons, bro. Master Splinter is all cap. He getting bullied out here. Yo, I'm getting chased by a grizzly bear. Somebody call 911. But not for me, though. Yeah. Where your mom at?
It's a really cold one today, though.
Bagel, no! Bagel!
Huh?
Are you going to closure?
Uzi, not again. Uzi, wake up.
Be gentle.
Small bite, okay? One small bite. One small bite. Take it.
Gentle.
Uzi, just bite it. Gentle.
Gentle. Oh my god.
Uzi, just bite it. Gentle. Uzi, just bite it. Gentle. Be gentle.
Well, baby, let's face it. I'm not into dating.
I am lonely. I am lonely. I am lonely.
Please don't bite me. Just know you're gonna bite me. You're too. This is the end.
Don't flip!
Oh! No.
All right, show us how you go down the stairs.
Ah! Man, you sneaking the mess out of me. Don't be sneaking up on me like that.
What do you say? Shut up!
Good girl.
Yeah, I saw on the chandelier and it brought my roof down.
Did they check you out? Were you banged?
Yeah.
And they said if you could.
What happened? Oh my goodness!
Can I help you?
Yes, actually you can. I'm looking for the cat. I'm trying to eat him.
I haven't seen him.
Cool, let me know if you do.
I see you.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Get over here. Get the hell out of here. I just want to hug you. No, you want to kill me. No, I would never do that. I've seen Tom and Jerry. No, you haven't.
Okay, you were right. This is nice.
Yeah, I got you now, sucker. If you have any last words, now's the time to stay out of this, Linda. Stop. Stop touching my paws. I said stop touching my paws. What the hell's the matter with you? Are you deaf? Don't do it. I'm serious. I'll scratch your ass. If I just move this a little. Oh, no. Hey, Mom, please don't be mad. Look at me. I'm cute. Ow, bitch. Leave me alone, Brenda. I'm trying to take a nap, okay? I had a rough night last night. I just want to... Ow! Get off my tail. I'm serious. Get off. I'm going to scratch your stupid face. What the hell's the matter with you? Are you deaf? I told you I had a rough night. And shouldn't you be out cheating on your husband?
I honestly have no idea why he does this.
Maybe because I'm a cat?
My working theory is that he's stupid.
And you're ugly, Doris.
Is the cactus your best friend?
Meow! last video of your pet.
And probably will be for life.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Yeah.
Oh.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh.
You can kick the balloon.
This one.
Oh, baby.
Go on.
Good girl, Kira.
Obsessed with balloons.
Jameson.
No, it's not this.
You like the. Oh!
Scout, you better move. Come here. Come here. Come here, you little shit.
Poor decisions!
Yeah.
Walter.
Oh.
No.
No, buddy, don't. Oh, buddy. Get it, Shelly. Get it. Yeah.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna.
Kitty, don't mind me. I was just coming to say. Just kidding.
Thank you.
O casal mais lindo do Brasil. Vocês são lindos demais. O casal mais lindo do Brasil. Vocês são lindos demais. O casal mais lindo do Brasil. Vocês são lindos demais. O casal mais lindo do Brasil. Vocês são lindos demais.
Ужасы, когда там тихо, и вдруг там за стенки все там.
Wait, actually, no, I don't want to do this. I don't want to. Help me, oh!
Sparky!
Yes, I'm coming! I'm almost there! I'm here! Do you have any treats?
No.
Cool! I'm gonna go back to tour on your remote control!
Sparky! Pickles.
That's my name, woman! Stop playing with my freaking toy, you jerk!
Oh yeah, that's my fluffy toy. I know you didn't just throw. Did you just throw my fluffy toy, man? Oh, so that's what we doing? We throwing other people's stuff? Okay, well catch this. It ain't funny when I throw stuff you. Huh? Whoa! It's kind of rough. Aha! Red light, green light. Oh! Oh! Hey! Oh! Stop! Oh! Nasty, my safe word. Oh!
Don't push my butt! Don't push my butt! You know what? Come here for a second. I have to tell you a secret.
What's that?
You're super annoying. Hey, Jerry, real quick, I gotta tell you something. What is it? Tag, you're it!
Dude, check me out. I'm gonna do a pull-up, dude. Watch this. Check this out. I'm trying to get buff for the summer. Watch this. Help me! Help me! Ah!
Hi, Kermit. I missed you more.
Good save.
Watch it again! And out and his name is John C. Every man for himself. What is wrong with the pedigree? Oh, what a knee! His name is John C. Unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker. Nowhere. Straight out delivery.
The finishing touches on this match.
Straight out delivery.
But Lesnar is fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away.
Roman Reigns. KO by Orton. Monday, every man for himself. Roman Reigns. KO by Orton. And Roman Reigns. KO by Orton. Unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker.
Who's the sweetest little boy?
Oh, you mean me?
Guess where we're going, Jermaine?
Camping! Got a tinkle, I'll be right back. Sorry for moving your Rubik's Cube, I just put it right back.
Hey, Beth, what are you doing? Let me give it a try. It's all in the wrist. Billy, run like a cartoon character.
Made. Put that whiskey sours right here, right here.
When you use the last of the toilet roll, refill it! All right, the humans have left the room, so I'm just gonna squeeze in the bowl here, and when they drop in the new goldfish, old Ginger Snap will be waiting. What if they bring back a snapping turtle? I like to just kind of pat the sides. And there's no meow steaks, only happy accidents. Oh, I'm fine. Accidents, Beth. Get over there, you. Oh, got away from... Oh, no, it's all... Deputy Time, Bartholomew. Stairs are very treacherous. Okay, Daryl. Where's Kenneth? In it. Oh, my beans are all wet. I feel like Patrick Strazy in Ghost. Oh, gosh. Save it, Beth. Makes a decent ashtray, though.
What?
trying to exercise. Shoot, what's up?
Come here.
Why?
Come on, let's go.
Where?
Let's go for a walk.
Where we going? Where we going?
We're gonna walk.
That's okay.
Come on.
I'm good. We got the AC on and everything. In
Boo Boo got sick of you.
Sick of what?
Boo Boo sick of you anyway. Come on.
Boo Boo need to be sick of being fat.
Zomi.
Hold on, let me do my stretches. I'm almost done.
Zomi.
I said I'm trying to do my stretches. Okay, I'm done. What do you want? Why you keep bothering me? I'm trying to get my exercise on. I don't want to be fat like Boo Boo. I got to get over there and finish what I started.
Come on, Psycho.
Psycho. Oh, I can't believe she just called me Psycho, y'all. Y'all heard her call me Psycho. She calling me Psycho because I'm trying to stay alive and be a healthy dog and get my exercise in. Look how fat Boo Boo is. I ain't trying to be like Boo Boo, y'all. She want me to be like Boo Boo. Look at Boo Boo. He can't even move good. Move out my way, Boo Boo. Look how fat Boo Boo is. I don't want to be like Boo Boo.
Ah! Shut up! Where's the kitties?
I was asleep. I don't know.
Out of your hey, out. Hey, stay on. Where's your brother?
I don't know.
Boo Boo, let's go get Kitty. Hi, my kid. Only took you 10 minutes. Hello.
Man, you need to stop babying Boo Boo big old butt.
What?
You always babying.
What?
You heard me.
What?
Yeah, you just treat him like a big old baby all the time. You need to go make him run on a treadmill or something.
Oh
Hey,
man.
what y'all laughing at? I'm trying to exercise. What's up, mom? What y'all laughing at?
I'm done. All right.
What's so funny?
They're on the internet calling you bald. I swear, I'm not lying.
Leo! No!
Go. Bobby, you okay? Oh, okay. No, you didn't hurt your paw. You hurt your... No.
No. No bite.
Get out. Okay, don't. Poor hero.
What are you even doing?
People only. Not doggos.
Don't hit me.
Oh my God! What?
What did you do?
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.